40 men can do a piece of work in a given time, and if 30 men do the same piece of work, they take 6 days more. How much would 60 men take to complete the given work? So, let's begin. Here we know 40 men can complete a task in a given time. Let that time be X because we don't know what that time is. Okay. Now, if 40 men can do the task in X number of days, then one man, in order to complete the task, one man would take 40 into X, that is 40X days to complete the given task. And what amount of work would the man do in one day? One man in one day would take 1 by 40x. This is the amount of work done by one man in one day. Now we have another scenario. If 30 men do the same job, they will take 6 days more. 6 days more than 40 men would take. So we can say 30 men would take X plus 6 amount of days. So here one man would take, to do the same job, one man would take 30 into X plus 6. So one man in one day would do 1 by 30 into X plus 6 amount of work. Now this is the amount of work done by one man in one day, and this is also the amount of work done by one man in one day. So we have two equations. We have entities, and now we can equate them easily. We can write 1 upon 30x plus 6, and here we have 1 upon 40x. Let's begin. 40x equal to 30x plus 180. I just open the bracket. So we have 10x equal to 180, and the value of x is going to be 18. So 40 men would do the job in 18 days. 30 men would do the job in 24 days. 18 plus 6, 24 days. Now this problem does not end here. Now the question is, how much time would 60 men take to do the same job? So let's find out. Now we know 40 men would do the job in 18 days. So one man would do the job in 18 into 40 days. So if 60 men do the job, then we can divide 18 into 40 by 60. Because when one man does the work, it takes more time. Now, this work is divided among 60 men. So, this much time it would take. So, we have 2/3 of 18, which is equal to 12 days. So, if 60 men are doing the job, they are going to take 12 days. That was simple.